An asteroid the size of a skyscraper just made headlines, and half the internet went into doomsday mode. But is Earth actually in danger? In the next few minutes, I'll show you what NASA knows, what they don't, why this asteroid trended, and the one surprising fact every headline left out. Stick with me, because by the end you'll be smarter than the comment section and actually know the truth. Here's the short version. A large near-Earth object, tracked by NASA and JPL, recently flew past Earth. These kinds of flybys happen often, but the size of this rock and the timing of the news made it go viral. Suddenly, headlines everywhere were amplifying it, and for many people it felt urgent, even threatening. The asteroid most outlets were talking about is called 2025. A F-22 picture a rock about the size of a tall building, moving at tens of thousands of miles per hour. Sounds terrifying, right? Right? But here's the catch. NASA confirmed it wasn't on a collision course with Earth. It was just another close pass, logged like many others that happen all the time. And here's a surprise that headlines don't tell you. When scientists say close, they don't mean close in the way we usually think. In space terms, close could still mean hundreds of thousands of miles away. To put it in perspective, the Moon is about 239,000 miles from Earth, and some of these so-called closer asteroids actually pass even farther than that. Scary headlines sell, but the real context shows just how safe we are. So how does NASA figure all this out? It's a process. Spot the asteroid, track its path, calculate its orbit, and then refine the math with more observations. Most of these near-Earth objects end up having zero chance of hitting Earth on their next pass. Still, scientists keep an eye on them for decades ahead, just to make sure. So why did this one blow up online? Two reasons: its size and the timing of the flyby. A building-sized asteroid naturally grabs attention, and when the first wave of articles and posts came out, there wasn't full certainty yet. That little window of uncertainty makes social media spiral into speculation, and speculation makes things trend. But here's what might actually surprise you. These flybys are valuable to science. Every time a big rock passes Earth, telescopes and radar capture new data that sharpens future predictions. Scientists can learn about the asteroid's spin, shape, and composition. And planetary defense isn't just science fiction, it's real. NASA has already tested ways to nudge an asteroid off course with missions like DART. So what should you care about? The takeaway is simple. Be curious, not panicked. These events are rare in terms of real danger, but priceless for what they teach us. If you want reliable updates, check on NASA as Planetary Defense or JPL as Asteroid Watch, not just viral posts floating around online. And let's bust some myths quickly. First, asteroid doesn't mean instant extinction. Only extremely rare, massive impacts cause that. Second, NASA isn't hiding information. Asteroid data is public. And third, trending doesn't mean dangerous. If it's blowing up online, it's usually just because it's big and dramatic, not because it's about to wipe us out. So, was this asteroid trending because it was dangerous? No. It trended because it was big, fast, and headline-friendly. Was it worth watching? Absolutely, because every flyby makes our planetary defense stronger. Next time something like this blows up online, pause, check NASA or JPL, and come back here for the calm, clear breakdown. If this video cleared things up for you, hit like, subscribe for more science explained simply, and drop a question in the comments. I'll answer the best ones in the next video.